Okay, in this demonstration, I'm going to show you how to shade different faces. First of all, I've got a charcoal pencil and I'm rubbing it on the paper, which I'll use later on. And now I've picked up my pen and we'll draw a face. There we go. Put the eyes in. Bit of a beard. Um, okay, that's fine. Now what we'll do is we'll draw another one. This saves time later on. So once we've got this face complete, we'll draw another one. So here we go on face number 3. Right. And now what we'll do is we'll make use of the charcoal that I put down earlier. And this is the fun part. You get your fingers dirty, but as you can see, the shading creates almost a different drawing altogether. He looks unshaven there just simply by marking the paper with a bit of charcoal. Okay, that's fine. Just add a few touches here with the pen. Gives the drawing a bit of depth. And what we'll do now is I'll add a bit of watercolour. So pick up the magic marker. It's water soluble. So, a bit of red. Now we'll just mix it up. This time, instead of using charcoal, I'll use watercolour. And as you see, it makes a totally different type of shading. I always find it gives the drawing a bit of depth. There you go. This is the water-soluble pencil I've got here. Which has the same effect as the pens, but different types of grey. That's about it really. A bit of shading makes all the difference. So there you go. Thanks for watching.